What's the meaning of coward? Coward. Coward.
Coward. Coward. Coward is a noun that refers to a person who lacks courage and is afraid to face danger, pain or difficulty. It is often used as an insult to criticize someone's lack of bravery or willingness to take risks. Cowardice can manifest in various ways, such as running away from challenging situations, avoiding responsibility, or betraying others for personal gain. Ultimately, being a coward means forfeiting opportunities for growth and self-improvement, and failing to live up to one's potential as a human being.